I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by closing Epic and any running games. This prevents file locks and corruption. Next, open the Epic Games Launcher and click your profile, then Settings. Once done, scroll to the Installations section to reveal current paths. Make sure the destination drive is visible in Explorer and has sufficient free space. Format issues can block moves. Finally, note which games you want to relocate so you can change paths selectively rather than moving everything at once. Now create the new library. In Settings Installations, click Add Install Location and browse to a folder on your chosen drive. Once added, go to Library, find a game, and click the 3 dots beside it to choose Manage and then change Install Location. Select the new library folder you just made and confirm move. The launcher will transfer files instead of re-downloading when possible, saving time and bandwidth. Make sure you wait for each move to finish before starting another to avoid conflicts. After moving, launch a moved game to verify everything runs and to let Epic update file references. If a game fails to start, return to the library, open the 3 dots menu for that game, and run Verify to repair missing or corrupted files. If Verify doesn't resolve it, try moving the game back or reinstalling into the new location. As a final troubleshooting tip, clear the Epic Games Launcher download cache and restart the launcher. This often fixes stubborn path or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.